Okay, today I want to show you how to use CRUD with the store procedure on the Laravel framework. Yes, before when we use the store procedure to insert update delete into the database on the using the Laravel, you must install the SQL workbench. Yes, SQL workbench, or you can use the SQL ajax. Okay, right now I installed it into my computer already. If your computer there is no mysql band, please download on the website to install onto computer. Okay, right now I first open. Okay, yes, right. Then before you can connect to the mysql, for example, connection to mysql. And if in your mysql there is a help password, you can input here. Yes, and then you can use the connection. But for me, I created my connection to mysql already. Right now I click here. Okay, so I go to the mysql, and then I create the store procedure. Okay, in the store procedure, I want to create a table, for example, student force. Yes, this names. Yeah, right now I create this already. I want to insert the data records. Yes, I want to insert to the records. Oh, okay, so you can. I want to change record this identities. Yeah, change to the voucher. Okay, right now I want to insert to data. Okay, so I go. So right now you can see the values into the records. So right now I have two records. So I go to the workbench. I want to show the database that I create. So right now we want to refresh. Okay, when I refresh, you can see the store procedure DB that I create. So I go to the Laravel and I change store procedure. Yes. Okay, right now I click and I create the store procedure, and I use student. Yes, so right now applies. So we go to the query and call the view store procedure name, and I execute. So you can see the two record when I use the store procedure. Yeah, right now I want to run on the Laravel, so we go to the wells and I want to create the route reads function. Okay, right now I want to show the data here. For example, yeah, we use the db slash. Yeah, when we use the store procedure on the Laravel, you must use the db, and we use the select methods. Okay. When I want to use calls, we use store procedure. Okay, right now I copy the read URL here, so I pass. Okay, store procedure and now db store procedure. Okay, so I go to see the db name. Okay, so right now I write wrong. So or in view, yeah, I did it here. So I refresh again. Yes, I want to dump values. Okay, you can see the two value read from the database. Okay, right now I want to select, for example, in the parameters we use store procedure, we use IDs, INTs. Okay, right now I use where student IDs and ID. Okay, apply again. So we go to the call queries method. I want to import the student IDs. Yeah, you see number one and number two. So I execute again. Okay, so I apply. Voice. Yes, I apply again. Execute. So right now you can see the value you want. So if we want to call on the Laravel, we want to use like this. ID. Yes, in the parameter we use the question marks, and then right now in here we use the arrays. Yes, that is for to the ID here. So right now I want to read the data here. For example, I input number one. Here you can see the student name, ID, and the name. If I want to use the number two, yeah, you can see the alphabet rows in the database. You can see the same in the database here. Okay, when I read the data already, I want to insert data into the database. For example, slash insert. Yes, right now I want to insert. For example, we go to the create function here. We click the store procedure again. And right now I to rename the store procedure name. Insert student. Okay, right now we want to write the mysql codes. Insert into student. Okay, value name. Oh, okay. Values name. Okay, when we use the like this, you can use the name varchar. Okay, when we use like this already, so we go to the Laravel again. For example, I call to the insert student. So I want to insert the data here. For example, okay, right now I want to execute. So store procedure and so okay, so right now I want to apply store procedure before I run. Yes, right now I want to execute again. Store procedure insert. Okay, I write. Yes, I run again. And right now the data insert one successfully. Okay, you can refresh the data here and you can choose. Okay, I want to input the and I want to execute again. Yeah, you can see the raw one affected here. Refresh again. Yeah, you can see the mysql database so value like this. So right now I want to insert from the Laravel framework. You can use ed slash okay. And I want to use course and insert student. Yes, in the parameter here we use like this. For example, name. Okay. Okay, right now I use the array here. Name. If we want to how many the parameters in the workbench, for example, in there are many in the parameter here. For example, size and another etc. Yeah, you can use the like this. Okay, but right now I don't add the field. I don't add the field. Yes, if we have the many parameters, you can use like this. Yes, and this is the array we use like this. Yeah, this is example. Right now I want to insert again. Yes, we refresh insert. Okay, we expect in the route name. Okay, right now the insert is successfully, so we go to refresh, and you can see the value so here. Okay, right now I want to yes insert it successfully. Okay, I refresh again. Okay, insert it successfully. So I want to refresh. Yeah, you can see the like this. Yeah, if you want to use the video form, you can use, for example, request. Yes, from the form you can use the same here. Yeah. But I want to don't use the form. Okay, right now I want to in delete. For example, I want to get out slash delete. The function here, ID. And here. Yes, so we use db and slash call delete student. Yes, ID Okay, right now I go to the create store browser delete student. So I right click the store browser db and create delete student store browser and teach. Okay, delete from student the adults IDs. Okay, right now I create the store browser delete student already. I runs successfully. So you can use delete student. For example, I want to delete student number one. Yes, you can input like this. So I run. Yes, the core delete student one row affected mean that we delete successfully. So refresh, and right now the number one deletes already. So I want to call the from Laravel from first. Okay, yes, delete, and I delete number two. Okay, right now we go to the refresh. Number two, yeah, lost from the database. So I want to go here. Delete successfully. So I want to delete number three. Okay, delete successfully. So right now I want to refresh the database. So the number three released from the database. Okay, and I want to create the method update. For example, update student. Yeah, and this. So I update case, and then we use table student, and we use set case. Okay, for example, name, yes, int. So I want to use the name ajax. Okay, so we use student dot name. Now here's, so I use where, sorry, my where's student dot IDs. Okay, so right now I apply script. Okay, successfully. So we call to the student update here. That student. Yes, I want to update the student number 4. Okay, right now I use number 4. So I want to execute script. So you can see the script called update student one row affected. So right now I want to refresh. Yeah, you can see the updates successfully. So I go to the use Laravel. Yes, guess updates function IDs. Yes, db slash for update student. Okay, right now I want to use three syntax once. Okay, right now I use the array, for example. Yes, right now I input the ID here. Yeah, you can see the ID here. Okay, IDs. Okay, right now I want to the object number 6 is into the student name like this, for example. So I go to the update student, update num yes number 6. Okay, so I go to the Laravel again. I close code here. Okay, so when I create it already, yes, updated successfully. So I want to refresh again. Yes, the data updated successfully. So we go to the database and refresh again. You can see the number 6 chain name. Okay, so for example, numbers. Yes, I want to update the student number 5. Okay, successfully. So I want to refresh, and you can see the student number 5 change to the student name like this. Just so if you want to update from the form, yes, I want to, for example, I want to create one only, create form, for example, yes, update student. Okay, so right now I want to use the form here. Test.touch, and I use that. Yes, and enforce type touch IDs. Okay, submit value updates. Okay, right now I want to use measures, push, and action. So right now I go to the web.php. I want to change to the post form, return base. Okay, right now I want to use the HTTP on the header, use /http request. Oh, yes, I want to change, so we use this Illuminate HTTP request. So right now I want to change the request here. Okay, so IDs as request, IDs name, and as request names. So right now I want to change here name. Okay, right now I copy the updates routes and I go into the form updates. I want to pass here. So we use cs or v2. Okay, right now I want to update student. So before when we to update, you can go call the form updates. For example, get form updates. Turn use update. Okay, right now I copy the form here. So I go to the URLs. Okay, update was not found. Okay, you can use the like this because the my framework there is problem when I call the update that is unknown the form update, so I copy here. Yes, pass here. Update doors. Okay, right now I run again. Yes, but there is no WGUs not found. I guess I am sorry on the my framework because I don't want to the issue. If you want to the object from the forms, you can use it like this. Okay, right now I want to finish my this lesson this time. So I want to yes I don't forget. Yes, please share, like, and subscribe my video. Okay, right now say goodbye.